Deep cleaning on Acer Aspire 3 A315 laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Hannah, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. A deep cleaning on the Acer Aspire 3 is a smart and necessary maintenance step, especially since this model typically comes with a single cooling fan and limited ventilation. Over time, dust buildup can block airflow and cause the laptop to overheat, leading to reduced performance. Potential hardware stress. By thoroughly cleaning the internal components and replacing the thermal paste, the laptop can run cooler and more efficiently, ensuring smoother performance and a longer lifespan. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.